Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at probably the best iPod deal I've ever gotten. It's a third generation iPod Shuffle, completely sealed. It was only 30 Canadian dollars, so that's a pretty good deal, I think. The only issue with it is that the plastic that holds the headphones and says iPod Shuffle on it is pushed up a bit, but for the price I got it, I'm fine with that. Now, just for fun, I'm going to use some plastics and polish out the scratches on the box. Now that the front's looking a lot better, I'm going to move on to the back, which is a lot more scratched up. Now I'd say that polishing made this iPod box look like it was brand new. I'm going to see if I can have any luck at moving that plastic down. The plastic didn't move much, but I'm happier with how it looks now. Now here's the 3rd gen Shuffle compared to the 2nd gen Shuffle. Personally, I like the look of the 3rd gen better, with the lack of buttons. I think it makes it look more sleek. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.